This video I will tell you that how to create Facebook group. So first of all you will open up Facebook and then tap on your profile image at the top right here, and then from this list tap on groups, and this will show all of your groups. But here you can see this plus icon, tap on this one and tap on create group. And now you have to like name your group. So let's suppose I am naming my group like how to videos, and then you have to choose the privacy, whether you keep your group public or private. So I will tap on public, and members and visitors can post in the community, admins can review first time participants, and then tap on done. Then you need to tap on create group. Okay, so here it says, you can see that it's saying that creating groups. And now the next thing is you have to invite members. Okay, so if you want you can just like tap on this one. So let's suppose if I wanted to invite this one, I will get the invite, and you can also search some by name as well, and then tap on next. And now it says that you should add a cover photo. For photo you can like choose from these, or you can continue later and tap on next here. Now describe your group. So let's suppose that uh, this group is about how to videos. Okay, then tap on next here, and then choose goal. So what is the goal of your group? Okay, so the goal of our group is like learn or share an interest basically. So tap on next here. So now you actually, if you want, you can make a first post. So hello, welcome to group, and then just tap on post here and just tap on done here. And now we have created this group professionally. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.